How to grow beautiful flowers at home. Hello, friends. Today, we will talk about how you can grow beautiful flowers at home. Flowers, whether grown indoors or outdoors, not only decorate your space but also uplift your mood. The best part is, growing flowers is not difficult. It just requires some care and the right approach. The first step is choosing the right location. Flowers need sunlight, but each plant's requirement varies. Some flowers thrive in direct sunlight, like marigolds and sunflowers. Others prefer shade, like impatiens or begonias. So first, understand what kind of light your chosen flowers need. The second step is preparing the soil. Healthy soil is very important for healthy flowers. Mix your soil with compost or organic matter to enrich it with nutrients. If you have ready-made potting mix, that works well too. Always ensure the soil is soft and well-draining so water doesn't stay stagnant and roots get enough oxygen. The third step is selecting seeds or plants. You can start from seeds or buy small plants from nurseries. If you are a beginner, start with marigolds, petunias, zinnias, or roses because they are easy to care for and bloom quickly. The fourth step is watering. Watering flowers is an art. Overwatering is harmful, and underwatering is also bad. Too much water can cause roots to rot, while too little water will make the plant wilt. Usually, watering in the morning is best, so the plants can retain moisture throughout the day. The fifth step is fertilizing. The beauty of flowers depends on their nutrition. Use balanced fertilizer or special liquid fertilizer for flowers every 2 to 3 weeks. Organic fertilizers like compost tea or seaweed extract are also excellent. The sixth step is pruning and deadheading. Removing wilted flowers helps the plant focus energy on producing new blooms. This way, your plant will continue to flower for a longer time. The seventh step is pest control. Pests like aphids, caterpillars, and whiteflies can damage flowers. Neem oil spray or a mild soap solution can easily control them. The last and most important step is love and care. Plants are living beings. Observe them daily, understand their condition, and with a little care, watch them grow. You will see every corner of your home filled with colours. Growing flowers is a journey that requires patience, care, and love for nature. If you enjoy this journey, flowers will not only decorate your home, but also your heart.